आज आपकी झलक देखने को मिल रही है। अब तक हो ही गया होगा, अब तक एक्सपीरियंस को लेकर क्या कहना चाहिए?
वेल ये एक्चुअली मैं पहली बार जज हूँ, तो पहले मैं बहुत नर्वस थी, लेकिन अभी 4 सीजन्स हो गया तो आई एम लॉट मोर कंफर्टेबल। एक्चुअली बहुत मज़ा भी आया इस शो पे, एंड यू नो आई एम बिकमिंग वेरी फ्रेंडली विद द कंटेस्टेंट्स, सो it's becoming very difficult now to judge them because you become very attached to them, so yeah. Hello. Thank God you're here.
Praising, I thought I'll call you, but then I said
You're going to see your
that I'm going to see you. Hello everybody.
Far in the house.
Yes, how are you, baby?
Very, very good. When are you?
I was very long time. I don't know why they called me so early.
Why?
31st August.
Oh, so three more shows.
I'm going to, Karan, we're going to do one dance performance. We're going to do it. Listen, वो शाम में हम very nice.
Guys, come.
Prerna, start. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
Jhalak judges on the floor. Start.
टिप्स दिए कुछ?
Yeah, please.
I want to tell you कि मैंने पहला एपिसोड देखा और I wanted to call Jacqueline, लेकिन रात के कुछ 11 बज गए थे. She was so good on the show. I was very surprised क्योंकि मैं जानती हूँ उनको हिंदी की भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, बट शी वॉज वेरी गुड एंड वेरी नेचुरल एंड एक स्पॉन्टेनिटी और एक यूथफुलनेस डाला है शो में, क्योंकि अब कारण बुढ़े हो गए हैं तो अभी एक जवान जज की ज़रूरत थी, तो अब जैकलिन और मैं आ गए.
लेकिन फिर भी टिप्स दे दीजिए प्लीज.
देयर इज नो टिप्स बेबी, वो फैब.
काफी ग्लैमर भी ऐड हो चुका है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Don't sit next to me in the show.
No, I'm sitting right next to you. We're putting you in the middle. We're putting you in the middle. Oh, actually, Karan in the middle will be
put
fine.
Karan in the middle.
Jackie, will we see you more on TV now?
Well, I mean, this is the first time I've actually tried out, TV and, with judging on Jhalak and stuff. And it's a fantastic experience.
Yeah, and she looked like she's having fun.
Oh, God, yeah. But I was actually very nervous on that first show. I was, dying. But now we've done a few more seasons, and it becomes such a journey. It becomes such a journey for everyone, like with the contestants, with the other judges, with the
Hindi में.
हाँ, तो बहुत मज़ा आया.
जजिंग का सबसे डिफिकल्ट पार्ट क्या है आपके लिए?
Judging सबसे difficult part actually
I think she can't be. She's too nice to everybody.
yeah.
So
स्कॉर्स देना है एक्चुअली बहुत प्रेशर है क्योंकि सब एक्चुअली कंटेस्टेंट्स टाइम के बाद दोस्त बन गई तो it becomes a little bit difficult then to give them.
I know she was being very sweet to everybody, and some
Now I'm finding it so difficult.
extra 9s and 8s were given. I was like, no.
Yeah, now I'm like, oh god, now what do I do? But it is difficult.
Jacqueline, you're going to be a judge in a dancing show first time, and who is your favorite dancing Bollywood choreographer?
Of course,
Her
madam.
first item song I did.
Exactly.
Which
And
was
how
Dhanno.
nervous.
Yeah.
I was very nervous. I was very nervous, but Farah was like supportive and very cool.
But
And
she's
it was,
you've become a superb dancer now.
now, I mean, like,
Now she's
it's
like,
about
bring it
time. It's about time.
Yeah.
And it was always a dream to work with her, actually. I was very nervous when they called me for that, for Danno, the item song.
For
and
Houseful.
For Houseful. But it was fun. Now, many more songs to come.
Besides Farah, any other actor you like as a dancer, good dancer?
Right now, I think Tiger.
Tiger
I
superb.
think Tiger is a fantastic dancer. Tiger and Varun both, I think they're phenomenal dancers. And
But I think you should once dance with Hrithik.
yes,
Because
yeah,
I think,
is
they-
like
I think they look
legendary.
very good together.
It's legendary. Would love to.
Maybe that can happen during Mohenjo-daro promotions on Jhalak.
I hope so. It's a bit.
They are right now promoting a couple show. Huh?
How can they not be here?
But Farah
How
ma'am,
can they
Jackie,
not?
a question to all of you all about dancing. Is Hollywood the only benchmark for Bollywood stars, ma'am?
What does that mean, Baba?
Matlab, people are ready to compromise with anything that they get in Hollywood.
Not true.
Why?
I don't think so.
Compromise with anything, as in?
As
A
in,
glimpse out of a role, Jackie. Only a glimpse, they are ready to just perform and they are just out
नहीं
of
कौन है? Who is performing just a glimpse?
Rather
No,
not.
but now if you see now all of our
नहीं, I think
actors,
there are a lot of actors who have refused Hollywood movies.
And what big
I know
roles?
for a fact that शाहरुख ने बहुत सारे रोल क्योंकि वो रोल उनके लिए इतना बड़ा नहीं था. So I don't think they are compromising on anything.
See, I mean, it seems like a great opportunity because of Hollywood's reach. It has a huge reach globally. So it seems like a great opportunity for anyone to take on. I mean, not just Bollywood, anyone. I think from the Chinese film industry. But at the same time, of course, I think it just comes down to the fact that people over there now are taking us extremely seriously and they're seeing our fan following and mass following as well. And so the roles that we are getting also as actors here seem to be getting, I mean, really big and very, very, I mean, like, meaningful over there.
But are we lacking for ideas here in Bollywood so that we are taking it from Bollywood?
What Baba?
No.
Are we lacking for ideas, original ideas, original concepts?
हाँ सॉरी कैमरा में बोलती हूँ. तू उधर आना बीच में. नहीं, आई थिंक आजकल जो हमारी फिल्में बन रही हैं वो बिल्कुल
Original?
ओरिजिनल है एंड दे आर वेरी इंडिया बेस्ड मूवीज. सो आई डोंट थिंक वो पहले शायद 80s 90s में होते थे जब कॉपीराइट नहीं आया था लॉ. अभी कॉपीराइट लॉ आ गया है तो आई थिंक पीपल आर बीइंग फोर्स्ड टू बी ओरिजिनल और टू एक्चुअली बाय द राइट्स एंड मेक. सो आजकल तो मैं जो फिल्म देखती हूँ वो बहुत ही ओरिजिनली इंडिया सेंट्रिक फिल्में बन रही हैं.
Yeah, I think the Desi like centric and content and stuff is working a lot better to some degree as well, and they're doing a lot better as well. So I think that's become the trend now.
A last question. Why are we so obsessed with Oscars at the end?
यार who is
Why are you picking on
obsessed?
us?
So हम लोग को क्यों पूछ रहा है? I tell you why. Because
It's fun.
for any film person that is the ultimate award that you can get. So अगर आपको सबसे बेस्ट बनना है, जैसे कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन को पूछेंगे तो वो बोलेगा मुझे ओलंपिक के लिए मेडल जीतना है. तो आप ये नहीं बोल सकते वाई यू ऑब्सेस्ड विद ओलंपिक्स. आप रोटरी कप में खेलो ना प्लीज. तो दैट इज द अल्टीमेट अवार्ड फॉर एनी फिल्म पर्सन, फॉर एनी पर्सन हु इज मेकिंग अ फिल्म और एक्टिंग इन अ फिल्म.
And they celebrate film internationally as well.
It is the ultimate award, so I guess everybody would want that.
Yes.
Okay, Jacqueline, how did you celebrate the success of the show?
How did I celebrate? Well, actually, me and my mom went to Maldives for a small break.
okay.
But सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए, it wasn't enough. It was actually quite depressing.
Only
Only 2 days.
And that too with your mom. I haven't seen Dishum. I was
She's gonna
traveling.
see it, she's gonna see it very
I will. I see all movies, so I will be seeing it.
फराह मैम, आपने इतने सारे शोज जज
हाँ,
किए हैं
वो तो है.
जब भी आपको लगता है कि मिस जजमेंट हो रही है कहीं पे,
हाँ.
तो आप पर्सनली फोन करते हैं अपने
हाँ,
colleague
मैं
को,
बहुत करती हूँ, फ़ोन करती हूँ. चैनल को भी करती हूँ कभी कभी, बट दैट्स बिकॉज आई एम टोटली अ रियलिटी शो जंकी. मैं हर शो देखती हूँ. मैं बिग बॉस भी कभी देखती हूँ तो मैं सलमान को भी फ़ोन करती हूँ, तूने ऐसा क्यों बोला, उसको ऐसा बोलना चाहिए था. आई कॉल द चैनल, आई से दिस एडिटिंग वॉज बैड. सो आई गेट वेरी इन्वॉल्व इन इट. If I know the person personally, yes, I do call and offer my Vishay tippanis for free.
But you were going to call me, na?
I was going to call her, but I knew I'm meeting her today.
And I knew that she was going to be like,
No. I was going to call her to say that she really did a fab job.
No, but also with my scoring.
The scoring I know.
में बहुत मुश्किल है actually.
Actresses ना जरा उन लोग का दिल ऐसे होता है.
It's very difficult.